Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this folding treadmill. This thing was so easy to set up. It's all one piece, and it comes with this amazing ratchet. So putting it all together was great. I have not had any products that came with a ratchet. They also have the oil for any sort of maintenance to do that sit in these nice little cup holders. Again, another thing I have not seen on the treadmills, so that is awesome. You just easily put your drinks in here with this nice big desk here. This is a 26.4 by 12.4 desktop. So my laptop fits on there great. If you have other books or anything you're wanting to read, it's got this nice screen that moves however you're wanting to have that. So you can easily shift the screen. The screen is a nice LED display. It's very big. I love how big it is. You actually get to see all 12 different programs that you have. So you know what you're selecting whenever you do choose one of your programs. So you can just go through, pick out a different program. You have the quick movement, so you can go up to 3 miles per hour, skip up to 5 miles per hour. But you actually can go all the way to 8.6 miles per hour. That is so fast. But because of this super long running belt, I mean, I'm 5'11", and I have not had any issues with my legs slipping off the back or, being restricted by it. It does have a 265-pound limit. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. It does have this little clip right here that you can clip onto you. And that way, if you did, for whatever reason, fall off the back of it, it's just going to shut that machine down for you. So now I've got this on. You hear it count down to tell you that it's going to start going. And it's going to go on here. Now, if I wanted to jump right up to the 3, it's just going to start going. It does have an incline that you can do up to about 2% with these little folding bars underneath. You've got your little heart rate monitor right over here to be able to hold on to. And then it just tracks everything for you right on this screen. It has your calories, your distance, your mileage, your steps. It is fantastic. And as you can hear, it is not a loud machine. It's less than 50 decibels. It's got 8 silicone shocks on here, so as you're walking, you don't feel all that impact on your legs, which is great. The running belt is actually 43.3 by 18.1, so even at my longest strides, my feet are not falling off the back, and you've got plenty of room on here. Now you can move this thing back down and slow it down. You can select different modes. You can pause it. So if you did need to stop off to get anything, it's now paused. And then you have your different modes. So you have your time mode if you want to do different time modes and let it go for so many minutes. You can do your calories, so where it'll go until you burn so many calories, or your miles. So this thing has got a ton of different options, but this whole folding mat works so great. With your nice little ratchet here, this part right here is all you had to do. And then you've got your feet underneath of here. You just simply pull this little cable out and those feet will then collapse in. And they do have a nice pad at the bottom. So that way it's not going to hear all of the noise or rub on any floors. With a nice long extension cord, this is a great folding desk that you can use for your working out while you're watching your shows, doing your work. It's a nice standing desk that has all the options you'll ever need.